Welcome children to another presentation. Today we'll be studying the abacus and we'll be seeing some more questions on the topic the abacus. Children, you can see an abacus on your screen. It is a 2-digit number abacus. It has two rods, one for the tens place and the other one for the ones place. So let's start putting beads in these rods to form different numbers. So starting from the tens place, we have 1, 2. 2 beads in the tens place. Now let's put some beads in the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 beads in the ones place. 2 tens is 20 and 5 ones is nothing but 5. So 20 plus 5 is 25. Let's see another example. Let's put beads in the tens rod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 beads in the tens rod. Now let's put some beads in the ones rod. 1, 2. So we have 7 beads in the tens rod. So 7 tens is 70 and 2 beads in the ones rod. So 2 ones is 2. So our answer is 72. Now let's form another number. So here is our abacus. Let's start putting beads in the tens rod. 1, 2, 3. Now let's put some more beads in the ones rod. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 3 tens and 4 ones. Since there are 3 tens, so we have 30. And 4 beads in the ones rod, so 4 ones is 4. So our number is 34. Now let's form another number by putting beads in this abacus. 1 bead in the tens rod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 beads in the ones rod. So since we have 1 bead in the tens rod, that means we have 1 tens, which is 10. And we have 6 beads in the ones rod. That means 6 ones is nothing but 6. So our number is 16. Now let's form another number by putting beads in these rods. Let's start with the tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's put some beads in the ones rod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 beads in the ones rod. So now we have 7 beads in the tens rod. So we have 7 tens, which means 70. And 8 beads in the ones rod. So that means 8 ones is nothing but 8. So our number is 78. Let's make another number. Start putting beads in the tens rod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's put some beads in the ones rod as well. 1, 2. So we have 6 beads in the tens rod and 2 beads in the ones rod. So 6 tens is 60. And 2 ones is nothing but 2. So our answer is 62. Now children, here is our activity. Here you are going to make an abacus that is shown in the picture, or you can form different numbers as well. Suppose if you form the number 43, so 43 has 4 tens, so you will post or stick 4 colorful bindis on the tens rod of the abacus and 3 ones, so you will stick 3 colorful bindis on the ones rod of the abacus. Let's see the steps once again. Make an abacus like shown in the picture on a notebook or any craft paper. Stick colorful bindis in the tens and ones piles corresponding to the number you make. Example, 43 is equal to 4 tens and 3 ones. So 4 bindis in tens rod and 3 bindis in ones rod. You can get creative by making any two different numbers other than the one in the picture.